Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if Google Chrome here is opening a new tab whenever you're searching something on Google itself, well, there are a few things that you may want to check and you may want to change here. So, first things first, you want to open up Google Chrome or any kind of browser and just go to google.com here, and typically at the bottom right of your screen you should see the settings option. So it's going to be settings here at the bottom right. Let's go and click or select this, and you want to go and choose the option that says search settings. Now inside search settings here, it should redirect you to privacy and safety, but what we're looking for is going to be the other settings. Let's go and click or select that. Now from here, you want to make sure that the results in a new window is actually disabled here, so that whenever you're searching something or if you want to view the results, it doesn't open up in a new tab here. You go and just select that, or basically untoggle that. And once you've done that, you go and go back into Google and start searching or start using it as you would, and you should be pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.